Hi everyone, is Ajay. Now you are watching Explore with Ajay. आज रिव्यू करने वाले हैं डी होम्स मिनी टेबल फैन मॉडल KN2816 का. लेट्स बिगिन. सो मैंने ये अपने घर के सामने इसके डी मार्ट से ख़रीदा हूँ. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ सो यूज़फुल. सो मुझे मजबूर होना पड़ा इसका रिव्यू करने के लिए. Trust me, this is one of the best product that I have received till now. So let's begin. So this is the product. Here is the specification. You can see that. Since it is 220 to 240 volt power source, battery 4 volt 3 ampere battery, which is the lead acid battery. It is not lithium ionized battery, and it is a rechargeable. For a light source, they have provided 13 pieces of LEDs, and it is generally takes 12 to 15 hours in order to full recharge. And उसके बाद वो बैकअप डिपेंड अपॉन करता है इसमें किस 3 मोड में आप किस मोड में यूज़ कर रहे हैं. इज कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 3 मोड्स: हाई मोड, मिडिल मोड एंड लो मोड. बेसिकली ये फ़ैन का स्पीड है. अगर आप हाई मोड में यूज़ करते हैं तो 2 घंटे की बैकअप देंगे. अगर आप मिड स्पीड में यूज़ करते हैं तो 4 आवर. देन फॉर लो दे प्रोवाइड 7 आवर बैकअप. सो दिस इज द डायमेंशन. एंड LED, if there is a power cut off, then this product can also act like a emergency light. So it is at $799 we get both a table fan as well as emergency light. So let's unpack this one. So what we get: one cable wire. This is normal USB port. So this is our final product. Remove. So this is our fan. It's very compact and look very cool. Decent quality, plastic quality. Here is a specification, the power source and the precautions. Here is 5 volt charger. We can charge through USB also, through the wire that is given in the box. This is very compact. I've never expected that product is so decent. It's very good product at $799. Here is a fan mode. You can see that here is a fan mode, here is a LED mode. So okay, high, mid and low. Okay, they have provided the 3 mode in light also, like in fan. So high, low speed, medium speed and high speed. Okay, we can use both light as well as fan. Trust me, it is a very good product. Good speed. So okay, this is pushable. You can adjust your fan according to your requirement. Okay, at the bottom they have provided the rubber grip. Good. Okay, this is all about this fan. This is the D Home mini table fan. Trust me, it is one of the best product that you can buy in this lockdown. Thank you. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press a bell icon. And at the end, a small video of this product for you.